How to change your Google Play country on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your country through your payment settings. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. At this point, tap on Payment Methods to open your payment options. From there, scroll down and tap on More Payment Settings at the bottom. This will open a page in your browser. Following this, if you're prompted to verify your identity, go ahead and confirm to proceed. Once you're in, tap the hamburger menu at the top left corner of the browser page. After that, tap on Addresses from the side menu that appears. From there, tap on Manage Addresses to open your saved address options. At this point, if you want to add a new address for a different country, tap Add Address and fill in your details. From here, if you'd rather update an existing address, tap on your current legal address to open it. After that, make your adjustments and tap Change Address to save the updated information. Finally, once your new address is saved, Google Play will reflect the country change on your account. That's how you update your Google Play country on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.